watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way.
Hello, gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sierra Janae, and I'm back here with an all-new Bath & Body Works haul. Today, I'll be showing you guys my spring collection of fragrances from Bath & Body Works. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more uploads like this one. So, let's get right off into the video. Let's roll. And you guys, if I do sound a little bit scratchy in my throat, I am trying to get over a cold. So, we're going to get right into this haul. The first fragrance that I have here is the Hibiscus Paradise Fine Fragrance Mist, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. I love the packaging with the flowers, the floral flowers on the front, and it smells so good. And the notes entail of pink hibiscus, juicy guava, and sun-kissed coconut. And instantly you can smell the coconut. I just love this, and I just spray this on nearly every day because it's one of my favorites here, and that's why I'm showcasing this one first. It's a great scent and I love it. Just giving that tropical vibe, paradise vibe, and just make you want to go to an island. And it's perfect even for the summertime as well as the spring. And I just love the aesthetic of this pink and florals on the front. It's so fun to wear and it smells awesome. It smells great. And this one really lasts all day. I wore this to work and it's a great, I believe it's a bestseller, so I love it. You have to go check this one out. So moving right along to the second fragrance mist of this haul, I'm moving on to Hello Beautiful, and it just screams spring. And I really love the packaging and how beautiful the bottle is with the baby blue background and the beautiful pink roses and peonies on the front. And the fragrance notes entail white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. And let's give this a spray. I haven't sprayed this since last Easter when I purchased it. So, and you can instantly smell the floral scent and the nectarine. It smells so sweet, so yummy, and so spring. It just reminds you of everything of spring in a bottle. So I highly recommend this one, and it lasts all day, you guys. I'm telling you, another one of my top in my spring collection. The next fragrance I have here is definitely perfect for your purchase at Bath & Body Works for the spring, and is Perfect Peony. And I really love this one. It smells everything of spring as well, and I just love the packaging with the beautiful peony on the front. And it smells good, and it doesn't have any notes on the back as you can see, but it's just everything of a peony smell, and I love that about this fragrance. And it's even another stronger fragrance that lasts all day. I use this when I get out of the shower, and it's just very aesthetically pleasing. Again, I love this one. You definitely have to go pick this one up at Bath & Body Works. I love this one. Is definitely another one of my favorites, you guys. I love this one, especially when I smelled it at the store. I just really love this scent. It was different to me, so this one is my favorite, and I have been having this one in my collection for the longest, and it's Rose Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath & Body Works. And I love the packaging with different roses and florals on the packaging, on the bottle. I love it. And it's just, I love roses, and it's so pretty and so pink. And this one has a subtle light rosy scent, and it smells so good. I spray this in my hair, I spray this on my clothes, even on my pillows. It smells so good, and I love this one. I definitely must have. As you can see, I've been using this one. The bottle is kind of fraying a little bit, but this is one of my favorites, and you definitely have to get this one. And because I love the rose scent so much, I picked up the smaller travel bottle of the rose scent, and it's just so lovely, these two, and I just love it. Just in case I run out of this one, I have this one to travel with, and of course this one just to wear in my everyday wardrobe, and these are my favorite. The smaller bottle has like the gold lettering on the front, and I just love these. They smell so good. And because your girl loves roses and florals, I had to pick up the Rose Champagne Fine Fragrance Mist. And this one is so cute. The packaging is like pink and purple ombres, even with a little bit of orange at the bottom, and I just love that. Some of my favorite colors is on this packaging on the bottle, and it's so cute with the little champagne toast glass at the top, and I just love that about this bottle. And this also doesn't have any notes on the back, as you can see, but it smells incredible. It definitely have like a sparkling scent. Like when I smell it, I just instantly think of a sparkling drink. Of course, like a champagne. It smells so good, like a sweet, citrusy almost, raspberry, strawberry scent. That's what I'm getting from this fragrance here, and I just really love it. And it screams everything spring with the colors, the pinks and the purples. I love it. Definitely another one of my favorites. Now I have to say, the next fragrance that I have here in my collection really had to grow on me. I bought this one online, so you really can't just justify like how the scent's gonna smell because I wasn't in the store. So, but I really liked the color and how the packaging looked. And so when I got it and I sprayed it on my skin, I just like, okay, this really have a different scent, obviously, and it smells really strong. But over time, and like once I started wearing it a little bit more, it really started to smell good. And so this one is the Plumera Fragrance Mist, and it's so pretty. I like the purple packaging, and I love how it smells now. So I use this definitely after shower, so I would highly recommend using this one after shower. And it just smells like a fresh plum or a plum flower, and that's what it smells like. It doesn't have any notes as well on the back. So I'm gonna spray this again, and of course it's like a stronger scent. It's way stronger than the other fragrances I have here in the back, and it's just like one of those strong after shower scents, and I really like this one. This one definitely lasts all day. I've worn this to work, and I could still smell it once I got home. So I highly recommend this one if you really like stronger scents. This one is a definite keeper for you. Last but not least, the last fragrance that I have here is another travel size fragrance, and I have here the Champagne Toast Fine Fragrance Mist in the mini travel bottle. And at the time at the store, I wasn't able to find the bigger one, but this one smells so good. I love this one, and I really love it. It's dermatologist tested and cruelty free, so I love that about this. And it just smells like a champagne. Like a rosy champagne has a sweet, bubbly champagne smell, and I really like that, and it smells so good. This one also lasts all day. Pretty much all of these in my collection, my spring collection, last all day, and that's what I love about these, and I highly recommend all of these fragrances in my spring collection. I love the kaleidoscope looking print on it, and it's just different ombres of pink, and I love that shade of pink. Different shades of pink is my favorite, and purples. But I just really love this one. It smells so good, and I can't wait to purchase the bigger bottle. Again, this is a definite must-have for your spring collection. And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed my Bath & Body Works Spring Collection Fragrance Mist haul. And if you'd like to see more videos like these, please give me a big thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell for more uploads like this one. I really had fun doing this video, and I thank you guys for all your love and support. And please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
You have to be your biggest fan. And
as always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, Be so deeply committed to your growth that you're willing to say no without guilt and yes without fear. I love, love, love that quote, you guys. Stay committed to your goals. Stay committed to your dreams. You know, sometimes we feel discouraged about what we're doing. Maybe it's a YouTube channel. Maybe it's a thing that we're trying to get, or that degree that we're trying to get, or that audition. Continue to stay committed. Practice makes perfect. Continue, even if you got to get up in the wee early of the morning to just even make a YouTube video, do it. Sometimes I have to do that when I'm getting off of work. I just stay up and just do that video, and when I look back at it, I was like, wow, I can't believe I did that, and I actually got the views that I wanted. Last year when I started my YouTube channel, I was started off at 28 subscribers, but now because I keep pushing it, even though I got discouraged along the way, I just kept trying to roll those videos out, and now I'm at 138 subscribers. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and that's because I stay committed to what I'm doing, and I love what I'm doing. Even though those bumps, those kinks, when I find my niche, just know your girl is flying forward. So I'm just declaring that on this channel. Stay committed to your dreams and goals, and don't be afraid of growing. Just get out there and keep the growth alive, and that's what I want to encourage you guys to do. Just stay willing without no guilt, no fear, and say yes without no fear. So continue. I love you guys, and I hope this has encouraged you guys today. Stay strong and keep going. And if you like what you see, continue watching me. That's your girl, Sierra Janae. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.